Welcome to our assembly all about the sun. Without the sun, most life on Earth would not be able to exist.
Did you know that if the sun suddenly disappeared, it would take about 8 minutes for us to notice, as that's how long it takes the sun's light to reach us here on Earth?
If the sun suddenly disappears, all the planets would move in a straight line as they wouldn't be pulled in a circle by the sun gravity anymore.
Our planet would freeze, including the atmosphere.
Only a few deep-sea micro-creatures would survive, as they could use the heat from the Earth's core to survive.
But life as we know it would end. The sun is the key to all biological, chemical, and physical processes on Earth.
One of these processes is known as the water cycle. We have been learning about the water cycle in science and have been writing explanation text in English.
We have learned a model text of Baha to help us with our writing.
Even though the sun is so amazing, it can also be hazard to our health.
As the weather hopefully starts to get warmer and sunnier, Kestrels are going to remind everybody how to protect themselves in the sunshine.
On the 3rd of May to the 9th of May was Sun Awareness Week, which was promoted by the British Association of Dermatologists, skin doctors in other words.
The sun's UV rays can damage your skin.
The sun's UV rays can burn your skin.
The sun can be dangerous to everybody.
The sun is very strong between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. even on cloudy days.
Have you ever been sunburnt? Have you ever been suntanned? Which is best?
Neither is best. There are both signs that your skin is trying to produce its own protection from the sun.
How can you be safer in the sun?
Stay in the shed where possible. Cover your body up with a t-shirt and shorts. Wear a sun hat to shade your face and neck. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes.
Drink water to stay hydrated.
Apply some cream to protect exposed skin. We can remember how to stay safe in the sun by thinking of these 3 words: wrap, splat, and hat.
Wrap yourself in a t-shirt, shorts, and sunglasses.
Start on gunking onto every bit of a ball game.
Remember to light it down 1-2 hours.
Use factor 30 or above for the best protection. Put on a hat to protect your head and neck.
Kestrels want to say stay safe in the sun. Thanks for watching, everyone. And now we're back in short.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun is changing the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving around the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tones. I could get used to this. Time flies by, the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. We got 2 in the front, 2 in the back, staying alone, and we don't look back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.